Hello everyone, welcome back to one more video, and today we got here a quick update of the things I am doing, and I got here a gift for one of my good friends. So I continue here the Messerschmitt 109, and as you can see we got here some work doing. We got here two on the inside. Let me just zoom for you guys. The instrument panel verticals, and I like the way it went. It's a little shiny, but I'm going to have to put a little matte. We got here the belts on too, so this is coming ready. I sent it, and now I need to make new lines for this and some rivets for this, but so far it's good. This one from Trumpeter. I got here this Tiger. This is a Tiger 1. This is a early production, and this is from Dragon. Still working to start putting here the photo edge parts, and some parts here is missing, okay, but it's going to be like this. So this is the one I'm doing, the Tiger one. So this is the Tiki one. So I'm going to do like I have here in the box art. Right now we got here this one, the Type 69, the rack version. And I start making the weathering, and you can see I start putting some sand around it, and I think it's coming along nice, guys. Just so take your a little time and tell me what you think about it. The gun, it's still in black, so I'm just going to start making the dry brush on that, and as you can see I think it came along nice. The color I like, because I painted, and I start painting all the colors with oil brushes by Amo, so it's fantastic for work with this. So I think it's getting nice. I hope you guys enjoy it. Now today I got received from post office from my friend Xisco. Xisco, thank you very much. And you can see I got here Blood Bowl team, all painted by Xisco, and we got here some fantastic figures painted. The ground is really awesome. You can see the lines of the field. So this is really awesome. Thank you very much, my friends. I love it, believe it, I love it. So this is going for my game. Now my friend Xisco also sent me another gift. So yes, I'm going to paint this, and this figure are awesome. Let me open and show you. So this is a limited edition, and as you can see here it's 37 unit number. Okay, so it's awesome, and a big hug for you too, my brother. Thank you very much. It's a lovely surprise, and I can show you the figure. So it's in resin, and it looks awesome. Yeah, the cape, it's really good. Let me try to show you the hair. Let's put like this. Try this, yeah. And it's really good. And we got here the parts have to put on this and to make this super awesome figure. So thank you very much, Xisco, for this and for this. Really nice. So Tamir sent me to this one for I don't know you guys know this one. So this is a foam base. Okay, this is for putting our jars. Okay, for you, just if you beat, this is not going to go out. And you know, I got here my carpet. You can see this, I missed all these lines. It's because of the glue. And this is also, this is on the market. Thank you again to me. Yeah. So here I am. This, so as you can see, so much projects, and I have lots of more projects. Like I'm doing the T55, I'm doing for Syria ground. So, but that is another story. Now I am more focused on this one, the T69, and I will start making now the diorama for this, because I don't put too much weathering on the sides because of the ground I start doing. I will start putting here the dark from the muffler. Okay, so it's normal. I'm going to start putting some pigments, and we got here these pieces. This piece, it's now away. It's in string line with the gun barrel. Thank you very much, Peter Robinson. Okay, so thank you for correcting me, and here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I catch you up on the next video, and if you have any questions, so just ask me, and have a great weekend. Bye guys.